Hi, Lori Steinfeld with the original wall stamp. We are in a little townhouse. We have painted the backsplash, which was this marble. Client didn't like it, couldn't afford to pull out the marble, so here's the remedy. Check this out. We painted this with a primer that you can tint to a color, so it's like a tan gray. I have Whisper White here, Dunn Edwards products. I made this Swiss coffee with a little tiny bit of gray in it. So watch, we're gonna brick stamp this backsplash, lickety split, and then I'm gonna show you the before and after. But super quick, and then I'm gonna have my client do it for you. So here we have, first I did white, and now I'm putting a little bit of the gray white on top. Remember, the first time you roll your stamp, you roll it twice. I'm going to hold this even up with the grout. See the switch plate cover? Tuck it in there. Take your time. Line it up. It slipped a little because this is a brand new stamp. So hold it tight. And we're going to see what this looks like. It's good to stamp with the brick with a friend because it is heavy and sometimes you need someone to hold it up when you turn corners especially, but I'm going to show you another trick. Let's see what this looks like. Check that out. The original wall stamp. We're going to do this whole backsplash. Is going to be so cool. We'll be right back.